The human eye can pick up a 3/1000th of an inch difference between something. When the judges are judging the cars that my girls are on, they're looking for that detail. Some of the grills, I do a lot of bandsaw cutting on the bars themselves, and just anybody that works with aluminum knows that aluminum will clog the bandsaw teeth real quick, and the WD-40 dry lube just keeps the teeth clean on the bandsaw blades. I love taking the raw material and putting the human touch to it, getting your hands on it and shaping it and forming it and polishing it and welding it, kind of giving it life to an inanimate object and turning it into a final product. I'm fortunate my father's still around. He started me in the business, gave me the basics of, the hands-on from back when I was a teenager, and now even we still go-kart racing together. He's kind of my crew chief. I'll bounce ideas off of him of, should we change a gear or should we change air pressure? And every time we line up in the grid to go out on the track, we do a fist bump and, go get him, kid. It's pretty cool. When I put the helmet on, I'm not thinking about customers. It's just going fast, turning left, and living life, just enjoying it. And using the WD-40 products makes that easier for me. My name is Dan Baker, and I live life hands-on.